Naranasan mo na bang hirap ka makatulog sa gabi? Tipong kahit anong pilit mo, hindi ka pa rin makatulog. The more you try to fall asleep, the harder it gets. But the moment you stop trying, you suddenly fell asleep. Madalas itong mangyayari sa maraming tao. Sleep is a state of complete relaxation at hindi mo pwedeng pwersahin ang sarili mo na mag-relax. Forcing is the opposite of relaxation. You see, sleep is something we cannot force our body to do so. Sleep just happens. Makinig ka. Same rules apply with attraction. Hindi mo mapipilit ang isang tao na gustuhin ka. The more you chase someone, the less attractive you become. Ngunit kapag tumigil ka sa paghahabol sa isang tao, saka naman siya bigla-biglang lalapit sa iyo. Nakakagulat dahil totoo ang sinasabi ko. Alam kong nangyayari ito sa karamihan sa inyo. Ito ang tinatawag na law of reverse effort. The harder you try, the worse it gets. Gaya ng pagtulog, attraction is something we cannot force. Hindi mo mapipili kung kanino ka ma-attract at kung sino ang ma-attract sa iyo. Attraction just happens. Gayon pa man, I will teach you 2 ways on how to use this law to your advantage and attract women. Number 1, appear and disappear. You see, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Kung lagi kang available sa lahat, bababa ang value mo. People don't appreciate someone's presence until they disappear. Saka nila siya hahanapin. If you want to grow an attraction with a girl, try to be more appealing to her. Make good moments with her. Mga bagay na magpapaalala sa kanya ng presensya mo. Mga bagay na maaalala niya dahil naging masaya siya kasama ka. Then, disappear. Become an elusive person, hard to pursue physically. You will create a physical gap in between. Sa pamamagitan nito, she will miss your presence. She will seek you and look for you. Huwag kang malilito. This is not a silly mind game. Kung bigla kang mawawala, make sure you are doing something to improve yourself while you are away. Hindi yung gusto mo lang magpa-miss dahil nagmumukha ka lang corny. Studies agree, being elusive can make you become more attractive and interesting person. Number 2, stop trying. Ayon sa law of reverse effort, the harder you chase someone, the farther you push them away. So, stop trying. Parang paghahanap lang yan ng nawawalang gamit. Kahit anong pilit mo na hanapin ito, hindi ito magpapakita sa iyo na para bang lalo pa itong lumalayo at nagtatago. Ngunit kapag tumigil ka sa paghahanap dito, saka ito kusang magpapakita sa iyo. Same thing applies with attraction. If you ever find yourself trying so hard to make someone fall in love with you, ngunit walang nangyayari, stop trying. Nagmumukha ka lang kawawa, pinapahiya mo ang iyong sarili kung ginawa mo na lahat, ngunit walang nangyari. Time to stop. Instead, focus to build yourself first at makikita mo, babae na ang lalapit sa iyo. You will attract women effortlessly if you stop chasing them and work on yourself first. This is a proven effective method. Ngunit ang nakakaawa, hindi lahat may kakayahang gawin ito. Dahil nga maraming lalaki ang uhaw sa tahong. Kung isa ka sa kanila, nakakaawa ka. I know you have endless potentials, but you're wasting them chasing stinky holes. Let me ask you a harsh question. Iyan na lang ba ang purpose mo? Maghabol ng tahong. Makinig ka. There's more to life than chasing women. Find your true purpose. Umunawa ang may pandinig. Hanggang sa muli, tapat kong kawal.